चैनल की सभी अपडेट्स पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए प्रेस करें बेल आइकन।
As I come to Mr. As I came in touch to Mr. Rajiv Bhatia, I'll know like what is basically chart and how to make money from chart. He told me very simple basic from where I can make money. Earlier I don't know like how I used to trade by listening CNBC or by looking at fundamental. That was not right thing which right now I understood like. So that you can say simple way like it's a simple technique which you can follow and you can make money. Like price where what time learned from Mr. Rajiv Bhatia.
Yeah, good evening. And I told sir that I would be coming down to Delhi to take the training. And really, it's wonderful that I got such a good sir. And whatever he has taught me yesterday and today was really wonderful. And this training is going to change my life. It is 100% sure. Because I have done previously, I had done many other courses, but this training which I have received for the last 2 days, I am damn sure that I am going to earn money, and that's it, sir.
I have done a couple of training courses with Bhatia sir, and he is like a genius. First of all, thank you to Bhatia sir. I am working almost 4 5 years in the stock market, but initial 2 3 years I never understand how the market really works, how we can get a profit, consistent profit. Yes, profit. Everybody gets the profit, but we cannot get it consistent. And due to our discipline, due to we don't have any knowledge on how we can trade on Nifty, Bank Nifty, or other shares, he shows how the market behaves and how we can trade. And this is the first time I really get interested on how we can make a profit, consistent profit, and this is the huge profit we can make it. And after initially I have done the positional positional trading, and that was really awesome. I go for the intraday trading and option trading, and as well as pair trading as well. So he showed me how we can get a profit, how we can utilize the different kind of tools, how can use the options, everything else. So thank you sir. And he is very much friendly person. He always help us uh, to, if we are doing any mistakes or if you have any doubt, we can get a clarification immediately.
I was in the market for the last 15 years, but I was doing things on my own basis and on basis of some tips which I got from friends and from news channels, and I lost a lot of money. But after meeting and having a chat with Mr. Rajiv, he has changed the total perspective of the way I am looking to the market, that how the money can be created with lot of patience, discipline and determination. I thank Rajiv sir for enlightening me towards this share market and the way forward. I hope that people will be benefited, and I wish him good luck, and I am very thankful to him for his guidance and his studies. Thank you.
Whatever I will tell about this training program, I know it will not be sufficient enough, because this is such an amazing training program. In fact, during these 10 years of my trading career, I have joined so many technical analysis programs, and the outcome of all those were disastrous. And perhaps that is the reason why I was a bit afraid before joining this course also. Let me tell you, this price action concept of Bhatia sir is absolutely class apart, and amazingly successful. And that is the reason why I have decided to join the intraday course also after this positional one. Thanks to IATS, thanks to Bhatia sir for providing such a life-changing and quality training program in India. And moreover, unlike others, Bhatia sir never ever quit the finger of his students in between. He clears all the doubts of his students till he or she attains perfection. Thanks a lot to such an amazing mentor like Bhatia sir. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
I had completed the course of IATS recently with Mr. Raju Bhatia. First of all, I want to tell you, please come and join IATS. I don't have any words to praise, but the course I have completed recently is very one of the finest methods to trade in stock markets. Whatever may be in Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, commodities, it will help to make profits, and I will bet you that you don't lose any amount from your principal, Mr. Raju Bhatia. He is a very honest teacher that I never seen him or I never taught from any other. He is so helpful in teaching. He teaches very lovely and he teaches like you a child.
And I have done my training through iatsedu by Rajiv sir. At the time of training, I never expected the share market would be as simple as I have done my training. But I will tell you one thing, patience and time, along with the principles or the rules of IATS, will lead you good profits. So best of luck. Thank you.
I recently got in touch with Rajiv to understand his strategies and way of investing in the financial markets. And let me tell you that he is one of the amazing person I have come across. His assurance on his strategies is credible enough to tell you that his strategy works in the markets. I would highly recommend him to anyone to look at his strategies and deploy it in the financial markets. Thank you very much.
Meeting Mr. Rajiv Bhatia in IATS, I feel very glad that and see some hope that what I had think before left my job, that I can achieve much more than think from here. And no doubt I am at that moment and 100% absolutely correct. And today I am very confident for the trade, and I know very well where the market will be stand up on the next day, and what is the future of mine. And thanks a lot to Mr. Raju sir, and thank you very much.
I saw in an advertisement about this stock trading in a newspaper, so I contacted Mr. Rajiv Bhatia. He welcomed me, and I joined the institute, and after that I found that I was normally I was doing trading earlier also, but now I find that I was just a novice and I was not doing anything. So after coming in touch with Mr. Rajiv ji, I have come to know many things which I did not expect that there are such things such kind of things are happening in the stock trading. So I am very thankful. I have got a lot of hints from his vast knowledge and the experience of Mr. Rajiv ji, and I am very thankful for his very nice behavior.
And I'm a chartered accountant. I started up with trading in stock market in around January 2015, and like many other traders, I followed news to make my trades, but I ended up in making huge losses. Then I came in contact with Rajiv sir, and I took the positional strategy classes with him. The best part of the strategy is, friends, that you need not to know any technical analysis or any technical knowledge regarding the stock market. You need not to follow any technical indicators or any specialized softwares. It's just a plain simple basic strategy that can make good profits on monthly basis. The return on the strategy is really good. I was so impressed with the strategy that I even took the intraday trading strategy with Rajiv sir. Plus the best part of the strategy is, friends, that you can follow in share market, you can follow in indexes, futures, as well as the commodity market as well. I even took a few trades in crude and gold and ended up in profits. So friends, I completely trust this strategy that Rajiv sir has told me, and I'm even looking forward for other strategy classes with Rajiv sir, especially option strategies, etc. So that's it, friend. And I still thank so much to Rajiv sir for his continued support to me and the strategy he taught me. Thanks, friends. Thank you so much.